Okay, today is January 12th, 2014. Let's take a look at the market before it resumes trading tomorrow. First of all, looking at the Dow Jones Transportation average, you see that it made a new high last Friday, and based on the Dow theory, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial. It did not make a new high, so I'm kind of in the camp that I'm expecting this high, this previous all-time high, will be taken out eventually. Like I said in the past, the market only tells us what it intend to do, but it doesn't tell us when or how we're going to do it. So right now, essentially, you just have to be careful. This pullback here, you basically could look at this like a little flag that is trying to develop. Right? I mean, this flag could take us down here and test this 16,169 level. Where this baseline here on this particular swing, or it could just come back up and just take out this 16,560 and move on to maybe get up there to that 17,000 level. Who knows, right? But regardless, if you take a look at the IYT, the transportation, the ETF, I mean, certainly it's also breaking out. So if you want to trade that, you could, basically looking for a primary, initial target, maybe somewhere around this 136 level at the 127 extension. And likewise for the diamond, the Dow Jones Industrial ETF, you could come down and possibly trade that and look at the preliminary, initial target somewhere around this 166, and ultimately maybe it will get up to this 169. That's near the 17,000 level on the Dow. So, and then looking at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 also, failed to make a new high last week. A little bit choppy, but it's coming back up, and right now, it's a little bit off by, this new high here. And using the Fibonacci tool here, we could also could see that it could come back up and maybe take out this previous all-time high and get up to this 1862. So you probably be hearing a lot of talking head be talking about the 1865 as the next level. Well, as soon as the markets start turning up, and then we look at the spider, the spider here, you could see that it could get up to that 186. That's the 127 extension, and then the Nasdaq 100. Again, the Nasdaq 100 is also coming back. We test that level, that's the breakout baseline, and it's going to try to make a new run at it and take out this previous high. And we're looking at the possibility of getting up to the 3638, this 127 extension here. And if you're trading the Q, and here's where the Q level is going to most likely be somewhere around that's 89. On the 127 extension, I got a 18, got a 88, 87. So it's, for all intended purpose, just call this 89. And then the Russell 2000, the Russell 2000 is also, I don't know what caused this blip here. It also came down and tested this baseline here at that 1147. I'm looking for it to come back up and try to hit this 127 extension somewhere around this 1177. And if you're trading the ETF, here's the IWM level, which would be the 116.39 and 116.40. I do expect this, have a possibility of even get up to this 120 level if it's not, but the initial target would be the 116 and then possibly get up to this 118 level, the 141 extension. So those are the two targets that I would be monitoring for IWM. So that's a quick look of the market and the index ETF. So good luck on your trading next week.